Last week I told you about the number of people around Youngstown who died last year from drug overdoses, how it was the most ever.
Well, tonight we have some good news out of Trumbull County. A new study shows that drug education in schools is working. First News reporter Dan Marcel is live in the studio with those numbers.
Yeah, Mandy, the survey was taken by nearly 2,200 6th, 8th, and 10th graders in Trumbull County schools over the last 5 years. It asked them if they had tried anything from cigarettes to alcohol to marijuana and even heroin.
I think that one of the biggest things with this survey is that it gives us some hope.
That hope coming after nearly 5 years of study. The Trumbull County Mental Health and Recovery Board asked students about their experiences with drugs and alcohol. And finally, some good news.
We saw some significant decreases in drug use across all substances.
Cigarettes saw the biggest drop from 15 to 9%. Alcohol was down 25 to 19%. Prescription drugs were down from 10% to 3%. Marijuana down 23% to 15%, and heroin was down 3% to 0.6%.
Yeah, I'm a little surprised because I thought it would have been higher.
I would think that it would have gone up with the opioid epidemic.
I think more kids are realizing that it's not real good for you.
So what caused this decrease? It's difficult to say any one thing made the biggest difference. Dimitrovich says it's a combination of more awareness and media attention, as well as drug education at home and in schools.
Schools are now also required to start education with their students as young as kindergarten.
So what can you do to help your own children? Talking to kids works best. Whether it's at home or at school, having those conversations that might be uncomfortable are often the most important. Parents who educate their kids about drugs,
their children have about a 50% less likely chance of using substances. So having the
Now, I asked members of the Mental Health and Recovery Board how accurate these surveys are. They tell me there have been instances where they've caught inconsistencies in the students' surveys. Those surveys are not used. In the studio, Dan Marcel, WKBN 27 First News at 10.